Still using a basic smart speaker that just tells you the weather? What if your home assistant could show, help, and do more? Imagine a display that brings your calendar to life, streams your favorite YouTube videos, controls your smart home, check your health status, and even watch you sleep the whole night. Add in built-in security tracking and hands-free cooking help? Let's talk about the Google Nest Hub's second-generation display. Google's all-in-one display is built to make your home smarter, safer, and more connected. Let's see if this could be the smartest addition to your setup yet. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Google Nest Hub second-generation display, user manual, and a power adapter. If you want to grab the Google Nest Hub second-generation display from Amazon, just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Experience YouTube with a 7-inch HD screen and powerful stereo speakers. Watch your favorite clips, jam out with YouTube Music, and watch live television with YouTube TV. Stream music from apps like YouTube Music, Spotify, and Pandora. Or listen to news or your favorite podcasts. On the premium stereo speakers, everything sounds great. Automatically displays your best, most recent photos of selected people or pets, right from Google Photos. Blurry shots are filtered out, and you're always in control of what shows up on screen. The Google Nest Hub gives you a live, voice-activated weather snapshot right on your home screen. It shows current conditions, hourly updates, and multi-day forecasts, so you're always one glance away from the weather. Just say, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" and get instant hands-free updates anytime. Sleep sensing helps you sleep better. It tracks your sleep and gives you personalized insights and tips, so you wake up well-rested and refreshed. Specifications. How to connect. Plug the Nest Hub into a standard power outlet using the included adapter. Once powered, the device will boot up automatically and display setup instructions. Make sure it's placed in a central spot for easy access and visibility. Open the Google Home app on your phone and tap Set Up Device. Follow the prompts to connect the Nest Hub to your Wi-Fi and Google account. You'll assign it to a room and customize basic settings like language and location. Set up voice match so the device recognizes your voice for personalized info. Enable face match for visual cues like calendar, reminders, and video messages. You can also sync smart home devices, video services, and music apps for full control. Set up with Google Home app. Download the Google Home app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Tap the plus icon on the home screen to add a device. Choose Set Up Device and then New Devices. Select your home or create one to continue the setup process. The app will start scanning for nearby devices. When your device appears, tap it to start the pairing process. You may see a code on your device. Confirm it matches on your phone. The app will start scanning for nearby devices. When your device appears, tap it to start the pairing process. You may see a code on your device. Confirm it matches on your phone. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen display. See you in the next one.